Quick Peking fried rice with veggies. Let's go. For the rice. Making perfect fluffy rice couldn't be easier with the Pressure King Pro. Take 3 parts rice to 4 parts water. Cook on the rice program, adjusting the timer down to 9 minutes. Perfect. Eat straight away or cool and put in the fridge in a sealed container. Next, add oil to a hot wok and start to stir fry your vegetables. We're using baby corn, bell pepper, snow peas, and chestnut mushrooms, but you could use whatever veggies you have left over in your fridge. Once sizzling, add about a tablespoon of Taishons Peking sauce and stir. Continue to stir fry for about a minute. Now it's time to add the fluffy rice. Vigorously stir fry the rice, making sure every grain gets coated with Peking sauce. Add carrot and edamame, then remove and place in a bowl. Using the residual heat in the pan, crack in an egg to finish on top. Garnish and serve. Simple yet delicious.